Hello and welcome to this class on grade 11 mathematics. In this session, let us discuss the definition of sets. What do we mean by a set? A set is a well-defined collection of objects. What do we mean by well-defined collection? To understand this, let's look at this example. Suppose I have collection of mountains of India. If I give you names like Nanda Devi or Kanchenjunga, we can say that yes, they are part of this collection. But if I give you the names like Everest or Fuji, we can say that they are not part of this collection. So, if for any given collection of objects is defined in such a way that it is possible to tell without any doubt whether a given particular object belongs to that collection or it does not belong to that collection. Such a collection is called as a well-defined collection. And a set is a well-defined collection of objects. Let's look at these examples. Suppose I have a collection of all the months of a year starting with the letter M. Now we have only 12 months in a year, and the months which start with the letter M is March and May. So yes, this is a well-defined collection and hence we can say that this forms a set. Look at this, the collection of 10 most talented cricketers in the world. My definition of most talented cricketer is different to what you define as a most talented cricketer. So this is not well defined and hence this cannot be a set. Look at this example, the collection of all even numbers less than 20. Of course, even numbers less than 20 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 and 18. And hence, this is a well-defined collection, so this can be a set. Look at this example, the collection of the most dangerous animals of the world. If I say the dangerous animals of the world are tigers or lions, there are some people in the world who keep them as pets. So this statement itself is a very vague statement. This is not well-defined collection unless we give a definition of what do we mean by dangerous. So this cannot be a set. So we have seen what is a collection and what is a set. One most interesting conclusion that we can draw from this discussion is that every set is a well-defined collection, but every collection is not a set. In general, sets are usually denoted by uppercase letters or capital letters like A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. And in general, the elements within these sets are denoted by the lowercase or small letters. Elements of the sets are also called as objects or members of the set. Sets are always enclosed within the curly brackets. Look at these examples. I have a set A with first 10 natural numbers. They are enclosed within the curly brackets. I have a set B where B contains the names of some fruits and set C is the set of all prime numbers less than 100. Let us now look at some important sets that are used in mathematics. Capital N is used to denote the set of all natural numbers. Natural numbers start from 1, 2, 3, so on. Capital W is used to denote the set of all whole numbers. Capital Q is the set of all rational numbers. Capital R is the set of all real numbers. R plus is the set of all positive real numbers. Now this plus is written to the right hand upper corner as a superscript. This is used to denote the set of all positive real numbers. Z is the set of all integers. We can have Z plus and Z minus as the set of all positive and negative integers respectively. Use of a Greek symbol. In sets, we use a Greek symbol called as epsilon. This epsilon is used to denote this word belongs to. Suppose A is an element of a set. We say A belongs to A and we write it as A epsilon A. epsilon is used to denote this word belongs to. So we write it as this A, epsilon A, capital A, and we read it as the element A belongs to this set, capital A. Look at this example. I have a set A with elements 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Now clearly 2 is an element of this set A. So I write it as 2 epsilon A and I read it as 2 belongs to this set A. 3 is an element which does not belong to set A. Now to denote this word does not belong to, we write the same epsilon and we just strike it off and write it like this. So we read it as 3 does not belong to set A. Similarly, 12 is an element of set A, so I write it as 12 belongs to set A. And if 19 is not an element of set A, I write it as 19 does not belong to set A. So what have we learned so far? We have learned what we mean by a set, how we define a set, how we denote a set and the elements of a set in general, what are the important sets that are used in mathematics, and what do we mean by the Greek symbol epsilon in sets.